year 1940, when famous British physicist Arnold O. Beckman invented the spectrophotometer. The instrument was designed to perform a qualitative and quantitative analysis of different spectrums of light wavelengths. The instrument has now developed and come a long way. The Presto group offers one such spectrophotometer that determines the colorimetry of a product. With trusted customers like Honda, Kent, Patanjali, Orient, Paharpur, Veena Empire. The TP800 generation of this instrument has captured the attention of all as it evaluates color fading, color staining, whiteness index, yellowness index by measuring the sample at 2 and 10-degree angles. Slide the on-off switch upwards. Just remove the silicone lid. Place the photodiode on top of both the samples and let the 18 light sources perform the test within seconds. You can see the results on the screen, indicating lightness, color level on the red to green index, color level on the blue to yellow index, chromaticity, hue angle, differentiation. Assess whether the specimen passed the test or failed. The consumers of this instrument have loved it. What are you waiting for? Get your hands on the TP800 spectrophotometer. For more information, subscribe to our channel or visit our website.